How to do the squat. First, using a squat rack, place the barbell at shoulder height. Turn around so that the barbell is below your neck and behind your shoulders. With your arms positioned wide on the barbell, push up with your legs and straighten up to lift the barbell onto your back. Then, you have to step forward and place your feet shoulder width apart with your toes pointing slightly outward. With your back straight and your head up, inhale and bend your knees until you are in a seated position and your knees are perpendicular to your toes. Exhaling, push off with your heels to straighten your legs and return to a standing position. Just repeat it for a complete set.